Welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So say you have a YouTube channel like mine where you have a lot of videos. In my case, I currently have 1,368 videos. Even though that's great for content, it's an absolute nightmare if you want to make updates to all your videos. So say for example, you wanted to go into each one of your video descriptions and update the text that's there. If you wanted to do it the traditional manual way, you would have to go to each video, go to your details, and edit it. Now this could potentially take hundreds of hours, and if you are paying somebody to do this, it could get extremely expensive. And so today I'm going to be showing you how I update hundreds of videos in just a few minutes, and I do it through my favorite tool, which is TubeBuddy. And so let me show you why this is such a powerful tool and why you must have this tool if you actually are doing YouTube as a content creator. Okay, so the update that I want to do is I want to look in all my video descriptions and then find this text, and I want to change it to something else. So that's what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And the way I'm going to do that is to use TubeBuddy's bulk actions. As you can see here, there are multiple bulk actions that you can perform. And so this is going to be way easier than you having to go to each video individually and then trying to look for this text and then changing all of them. And when you have this many videos, this could take literally forever to do. But with TubeBuddy, it's going to take a few minutes. And so I'm going to go here and go to titles and description for the bulk meta actions. And here, the default action is find and replace text. But there are multiple actions available, as you can see here. So what I want to do is find this text string, and I want to replace it. So I'm going to change it to just something a little simpler, but still pretty much the same thing. So there it is. Okay, so this is going to be a little shorter, but this is what I want to change it to. And here's the great thing about TubeBuddy. There are many other options. You can look for it by case sensitivity. You can include partial word matches, and you can also look in the titles or descriptions. So I just want to look for this text string and replace it in my description. So I'll uncheck that, and I'll normally just leave this the way it is, and we'll continue. And here you could either search all your videos on your channel, or you could only load a certain amount. The default is 50, but you can change this amount to however many videos you want to load. And so if you have a slow internet connection, or maybe you have a lot of videos, you could always use this. So now you could also look at it by video IDs, or you could do search on videos in a playlist, or you could even search for your videos by search phrases. So very powerful search features here. But as you can see, I want to search all 1,000 plus videos on my channel for this text, and then I want to replace it with this text. So let's go ahead and continue. And so as you can see here, it's going through all 1,369 videos. And normally this takes, I guess for me, about less than 2 minutes. As you can see here, this is pretty amazing. And then I'm also going to bring up a stopwatch here as well. So once all of these videos load, I'm going to go ahead and time this to see how long it takes to actually update these videos. And so this description might not be in all these videos. So let's see how many it found. And once it goes through all your videos, it's going to render thumbnails, as you can see here. And if you actually scroll down, it shows you all the videos that actually have this text in it. So it found that all these videos here have the text, and all the one with the X doesn't. And so in this case, it did look through all 1,000 of my videos, but not all 1,000 plus videos actually have this text. So if I choose all, it might take a second or two. It'll select all the videos that actually have this text. Okay, so it found 443 videos with that text. Now, even though that's not 1,000 plus videos, that is still a whole bunch of videos. And if I did have that description in 1,000 or more videos, it would find that as well. So that didn't take too long. And it will continue. And here's where you could update everything. So it's going to ask you one more time if you actually want to find this text string and replace it with this new text string of 443 videos. And I'll say yes, do it. Now before I click on start, I'm going to go ahead and get my stopwatch ready. And so I'm going to go ahead and start now. And I'll start right here. And so we'll wait and see how long this takes, and hopefully it'll be less than 5 minutes. Okay, so it took over 5 minutes. I was hoping it'd be less than 5 minutes, but within 6 minutes and 27 seconds, I updated 443 videos on my website. That's pretty incredible. And if you're somebody who values your time, and especially if you're paying somebody to do this, value your money, then this is a huge savings. And let's go ahead and look at that video again. And you just remember this was the old text, and I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this to see if it changed it. And it should change it. There it is. So a much shorter version of the text that I had previously. And you could see how powerful this could be. And what I just showed you there was only one of the bulk actions that TubeBuddy provides. It provides multiple bulk actions. And as I showed you a little bit earlier, there are many other actions besides find and replace. So that is just one of the many powerful things that this tool TubeBuddy can do. It's one that I highly recommend to all YouTube content creators, especially people who really want to make YouTube their main thing and they are really serious about doing YouTube. This is a must-have tool. And what I just showed you with the bulk action tools, these are only available in the paid version. However, TubeBuddy does have a free version that you could try, and I really feel even with the free version, it's still very powerful. But it just goes to show that if you actually want to better manage your channel, to save a ton of time, and to do many other amazing things, especially if you want to, do research on competitive analysis, keywords, pretty much countless other things that TubeBuddy has, this is the best tool. And if you did want to support this channel and get this tool as well, you can head over to my affiliate link in my description below. This will really help out the channel. And at the same time, you're going to be able to use this amazing tool. So if you actually had any thoughts today on what I did in updating 400 plus videos in less than 7 minutes, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you do have TubeBuddy or use any other type of tool like this, or maybe vidIQ, I'd like to know that as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.